still the highest contributor of environmental-related deaths, with 7 million people dying globally every year. Most of them died due to household air pollution, mainly coming from sources of heat and cooking. This has emerged in the Healthy Environment, Healthy People report presented at the UN Environmental Assembly, currently sitting in Nairobi, Kenya. Senior reporter Angela Bolowana is there.
Ask the mothers who have to treat their children because their IQ was impacted by lead poisoning. Ask the parents who have buried their children because they died of asthma attacks. Ask the patients who are lying in hospitals and being treated for skin cancer because of what we had done to our atmosphere. Ask all those parents who lost their children before the age of 5 because of water quality. Ask the insurances, ask the taxpayers, ask the governments.
A grim picture of the state of the environment and, as a result, the state of health on the globe.
At the other extreme, where we see a number of really important crops, whether it be maize, cassava and others, that are actually responding to drought by turning on particular content of prussic acid, hydrogen cyanide, which is toxic to people and livestock. So the natural world is responding, as it would be expected to do, to these climatic extremes, and it's now having an effect on the very things that we eat.
The report highlights 3 environmental killers. Air pollution, which kills 7 million people annually, more than half because of household tools they use. Lack of access to clean water and sanitation costs 842,000 lives, 97% of them in developing countries. Diarrheal diseases are the 3rd leading cause of death of children younger than 5. Exposure to chemicals such as asbestos and lead also results in over 700,000 deaths annually.
This is a toxic chemical, and with a personal toll that it takes on children, it's life-altering. It lowers their IQ, it lowers their ability to finish school, and it's unnecessary. I think one of the things about lead and paint that I see is we have many very difficult problems that we're working together to solve, and this is one that we have the answer to. Safe lead paint costs about the same amount, sometimes cheaper.
But there was also good news. Nearly 100 ozone-depleting substances have been phased out. It's expected that in the next 15 years, the results of this will be felt as the ozone layer recovers. The conference is pushing for more detoxifying, reducing the use of carbon fuels, economic use of resources, and protecting natural ecosystems. Angela Bolowana, Nairobi, Kenya.